Hello everyone. I never would have thought that yam could be made like this. Kids especially love to eat it, and it's great as a breakfast option. Let's take a look at how I make it. First, peel the Chinese yam. If you're allergic to yam, you can wear gloves. After peeling, smash it. Then chop the yam into small cubes. Not too fine, you want to keep some texture. Once chopped, put it into a large bowl. Prepare tomato and cut into thick slices. Cut into strips. Finally, dice it into small cubes. After cutting, place the diced tomato on a plate for later use. Prepare some green onions and chop them into small pieces. Once chopped, put them on a plate. Take 2 cloves of garlic, smash them, and mince them. Chop up a few leafy greens. Crack 2 fresh eggs into a bowl and beat them well. Add an appropriate amount of flour to the yam, and use chopsticks to mix well so that the yam is evenly coated with flour. Add a little oil to the pan and heat it. Pour in the beaten eggs and use a spatula to scramble them into small pieces. Once eggs cooked, take out and set aside. Add oil to pan. When hot, add green onions, garlic, stir-fry fragrant, add tomatoes. Stir-fry tomatoes juices release. Then pour in a bowl of water that I added. Turn the heat to high and bring it to a boil. Once the water in the pot is boiling, add the diced yam, spreading them out as you put them in. After adding them, use a spatula to gently move them around so the yam heats evenly. Now start seasoning. Add a spoonful of salt, a little white pepper to remove any fishiness, a suitable amount of light soy sauce, and a bit of sesame oil. Stir everything evenly with a spatula. Then add an appropriate amount of sun-dried shrimp for extra umami, and cook for 2 minutes. Finally, add the cooked eggs and some greens, and cook for another 30 seconds. Wow, it smells absolutely amazing. Alright, it's done. Take it out of the pot and serve it in a big bowl. This yam dumpling soup made this way is fresh, fragrant, and delicious. The whole family loves it. It's nutritious and whets your appetite. Every time, 3 bowls just aren't enough. If you like it, go ahead and save this recipe to try it out.